I love this foldable cell phone stand. It's exactly what I was looking for, which is adjustable low enough to place between the counter and under the cabinet for charging. I mainly use it for my cell phone. It's sturdy, adjustable for height and angle. My son likes it so much that I gave my first one to him for his tablet. I brought another one for myself. This well-made and designed foldable cell phone stand takes up so little space you can take it just about anywhere. Solid construction. Well balanced. Can even handle my iPhone 12 Pro Max in a sturdy case with ease. Designed to allow charging cable easy access to. And best of all, you can adjust the height and viewing angle to your liking. Great value for the price. This will be coming with me on my next plane flight. I looked for a couple of nice stands for my workstation, and had a hard time deciding. Bought one and had to scrap it because it tipped over. These are just the right balance between substantial weight and convenience. And they basically fold flat. The others I considered would not fold. Very impressive. I highly recommend. This is a very well made cell phone stand. Holds my Note 8 perfectly, vertically and horizontally. I was afraid the base wouldn't be heavy enough to offset the cell phone's weight, but I've had no issues. It's great that the tilt angle is adjustable and so is the height of the stand. I love it. I can charge my cell phone while on the stand without an issue as well. What's also neat is that you can easily fold it back down to store when not in use, and it's perfectly flat and not bulky. I definitely recommend it, especially for the price. Really good quality hands down. I love this phone stand. This is the second one I've purchased, and I'll be giving more to my family and friends. I use them for conference calls, to watch videos, read recipes and FaceTime my family. I have one in my office and another in the kitchen. Buy this. Amazing. Very good quality phone stand at a very reasonable price. Have tried a lot of other stands and this one is just perfect for my needs. I like it so much I have ordered a total of 5 in the last 2 weeks for my wife and her workmates as gifts. Click link in description for more reviews.